point blank. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be trying this look. I started out with my hair blown out, and here's what you will need. Edge booster, your favorite crochet curl pattern, Cuban twist hair, rubber bands, an edge brush, crochet needle, and a wide tooth comb. I started out by parting my hair with the wide tooth comb and securing it with the rubber bands into 4 sections. Next, I just plaited each ponytail down, so 4 plaits. So guys, it's best if you don't get pre-looped hair. I made the mistake of doing that. You're gonna twist the hair here. I have about 6 strands, and I'm just twisting it so that it'll be easier to catch with my crochet hook. Once hooked, you're gonna close it, pull it through. After pulling it through, you're gonna open up that loop and pull the hair through there and make sure it's nice and tight. Then I'm gonna take 2 strands of the Cuban twist hair, stretch it a little bit, and be sure to unravel those ends. I'm gonna twist here as well, just so I can catch it with my hook. Pulling it under the rubber band and pulling it through. And the hair is not supposed to be even on each side. I'm just kind of using that shorter side to feel the dread, just to make sure that it is nice and thick, and also providing some coverage around that braid. I love the texture of this hair because it matches mine, and everything doesn't have to be perfect. It can be a little kinky, and that's how I like it. TRACEE's was a little bit more slicker, and I think that was due to her true texture. I'm just securing it with a rubber band at the end, so nothing fancy, no nail glue. Okay, I had a little bit sticking out there, so I just rubbed it together just to lay down some of that texture or to smooth it out. And it does work. And the rubber band was showing up top, so I kind of just stretched the hair over that rubber band, just like that. Okay, so that's a bit long, so I'm gonna cut that. I'm doing a modified version of what TRACEE had. She had a lot more hair out there, but I just wanted a little bit just for every day, as this is already a pretty avant-garde style. And I'm just teasing it. I don't know why I used a wide tooth comb. I ended up just kind of finger teasing it after the fact, but it still came out okay. And there you have it. That's the back. Gonna go in with my edge booster. And I don't want it to be too slick. Like I said, I want it to look realistic. So I'm just combing it up just a little bit, just to smooth out that texture a little bit. Bam! Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.